Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Evooo Baby with the 3 O's and I'm coming at you again with another banger. So no, for real. But what we have here, guys, as the title said, we have jerk tofu. Okay? I was gonna do like a stew, but I just didn't feel like it. I never feel like doing it, okay? Because don't worry about it. But more, it's because I be feeling like I'm gonna mess it up. I be like, you know what? I done messed it up a little bit already because as y'all can see, it's a little burnt. I mean, yes, this is jerk, so they're gonna be brown, but it's a little burnt too. So, messed it up. And I have tomatoes and avocado and rice. Okay, burnt. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay, so let's get into this meal. I tasted the jerk tofu nuggets and they're good, but I didn't taste them with rice. Cause like I said, I was supposed to do a stew, guys, and I didn't, okay? So, here we are. I should do a stew. It tastes good either way. But I really should have did a stew though. Can't lie. I ain't gonna cap. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try onions and peppers, tofu nugget, rice, and we're gonna try it with some of this avocado. That was good, of course. I forgot to get hot sauce. Got the hot sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all the reason why I actually burnt this tofu. The reason why it's burnt, it's not that burnt, but it's still burnt. It's not that. I'm really slicing it, y'all, but I just be like, I'm not a perfectionist, but I want it to come out right, you know, so I don't like when it's not, like, you know, slightly not even right, but only reason is because I ordered tofu, orange chicken tofu, and it's supposed to be crispy, right? Crispy orange chicken, only tofu. That was so rubbery. Like, I've never even had tofu like that before. Like, that made me realize that you should not eat tofu like from places unless it's like really, you know, it's good. Because if not, I don't know if that's a good idea, buddy. Because that was nasty, y'all. I'm telling you, it was nasty. So we're gonna have avocado with rye. So, somebody I was real close to when I was in like middle school and high school, she was older than me. She was like an older lady. I'm not gonna say she's not an older lady, but she's older. She was way older than me, you know. She was grown with like 4 kids. And I was in like middle school. I used to hang out with her. And she the one got me hip to like rice, hot sauce, tomatoes, kind of ting. I don't know. I think it's a Jamaican thing. Cause she ain't started making that until she went to Jamaica. But yeah, it's really good. I actually forgot all about it until today. when I went to cook this meal. And I was like, oh snap, I forgot all about the tomato. Cause I was like, I bought a tomato for my burger. Cause I bought Impossible meat. And I was like, what am I gonna do with this? Well, I was talking this with salad and sandwiches, but I was like, oh yeah. I haven't had that in a minute, and I haven't had it either. Actually, I never had it. That's the only time I ever had it. Ooh. And it's y'all, let me tell y'all how nostalgic this is. This is so nostalgic right now that this is the exact hot sauce because I remember the exact taste. Like the exact. Like when I say the exact, I mean exactly. I'm supposed to be eating this rice with the jerk tofu nuggets. I'm eating it plain and with veggies and fruits. So that's a fruit actually. Well, these are both fruits. Damn, fruits and rice. My bad. You would think that ain't burnt, but it's really not. You know, I couldn't think of a topic today. I don't know why. But I do know why. This is my topic. Actually, I got one. I'm in the process of moving, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's more important. I mean, I know what's more important, but I got other stuff that I think I should be worried about, but it's going to be put on hold. Until I figure out what apartment I'm getting, and this deposit is paid and it's secured. Until then, baby boo, I'm not doing nothing but content. I can't even lie to y'all. I could have ate this meal without this. Like, it's really smacking. With the tomatoes and the rice and the hot sauce. Damn. Avocado and hot sauce. I mean, I should have known that, but Lord. Y'all. I'm be eating rice. I still got a little bit of rice left. I'm be eating rice, hot sauce, and tomatoes all day today. That's a fact. I'm saying all day like today, not about to be over soon, but yeah. All day, that's what I'm eating. The next thing I'm gonna eat is gonna be rice and this tomato. I'm probably not gonna eat this. I can't even lie, y'all. I'm not even gonna cap to it. Cap it. I do want these. Oh, I wish I had a knife. Oh yeah, that's what we talking about my move. Yeah, I just did that. I don't have a napkin, so what? At least I didn't wipe it on my clothes or on my floor. But yeah, I mean, I'm really excited. I mean, I'm nervous Cause it's only my second time getting my own apartment on my own, like finding my own apartment and all that good stuff. But I'm also excited because I'm finally having 100% faith in myself and getting an apartment 100% alone this time, you know, without help at all. And I feel like that's very important because when you do that, it boosts your level, your skill levels type shit, like, and it also boosts your confidence in yourself. Like, I was the main reason why I got a roommate because I was nervous that I wasn't gonna be paying my bills. You know, the mindset I had back then is not the same. So now the mindset I have now, I'm like, oh yeah, whatever I want, I'm gonna go get it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Very much so. Yeah, and I know that now. I don't have doubts and fear that something might happen. I might not pay my bills because that's not. I'm sorry, but that's not how you get through life. It's not. You gotta believe in yourself. You have to, bruh. Cause who else gonna believe in you but you? Nobody. And even if they do, what that mean? They ain't walking in your shoes. So unless you make that move, baby, you ain't make that move. So I'm really talking about myself because living alone is something I've always wanted. I've always been trying to manifest for myself. But I noticed that this time around, when I actually had the chance to, I chickened out. And that's why I was battling what I was battling. I didn't receive what I wanted to receive because I didn't do what I said I was going to do. Literally. That's why. That's why. I know y'all probably think this is probably nasty, but it's not. I'm vegan, you know what I'm saying? I love vegetables. Like, I mean, some vegan people do it for certain reasons, but I do it for all the reasons. I love vegetables, you know what I'm saying? I love vegetables. I love being healthy. I love animals. So, that's how we're here. I'm gonna tell my girlfriend about this combination. I'm gonna say, girl, you should really try this. She's gonna really try it. And she's gonna be like, oh my God, babe, this is so good. I know she is. Cause she always do. Cause it's always good. So no, for real though. I'm glad I didn't eat those. But another thing is, guys, tofu is actually really filling for those who don't know. I don't know if that is expanding your belly or what, but yeah. Every time I eat tofu, I get full really quick. Like, I had how many? I think it was I did a video on it, and it was maybe 8 tofu nuggets. And I was so full, y'all, literally. When I had the tofu scramble, that's all I ate that whole day. I didn't eat anything else. And when I had tofu, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I was feeling every time I ever had tofu meal and I ate the whole thing, I was full the whole day. I didn't eat anything else. Sir, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This was really the give, Okay, guys, that concludes the video. Woo! Oh my God, that was good. That rice with them tomatoes and that hot sauce with that avocado. Woo! Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Alright? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and really do it for real. Because y'all like to play. And I know you play because clearly, duh, I got more views than I got likes and subscribes. So, please actually like, comment, and subscribe. And actually comment some ideas. Some things you want to see veganized. Okay? Some topics you want me to talk about while I'm eating. You know what I mean? A lot of things. Just comment. Just comment. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click that post notification bell so you can see when I post another lit video. And follow my social medias down below in the description. And make sure you book me for your spiritual guidance because I'm your girl. You know it. I know it. We both here with it. So come down and prosper. It's like, bye.
Y'all be safe. You know 12 out here.